If you live and work in Tanzania, then you're very lucky. But it's essential you have a good health insurance plan. Pacific Prime is the world's largest distributor of international private medical insurance to individuals, families and SMEs. In 2013, we were awarded the Top Global Distributor Award from Bupa International and from IHI Denmark. We don't just work with these two insurers. In fact, we are the top global distributor for most international health insurers. And if we're not the top, we're certainly in the top 1, 2, 3. So how can we help you? Well, what we'd like to do is spend a little bit of time talking to you to understand your needs. But we would also like to help you understand the health insurance plans. Health insurance is actually quite complex, and the plans are very multidimensional, and they tend to come in different modules. So we would help you understand inpatient and outpatient, which may seem fairly obvious, but the specific details of the policy and the exclusions, etc., are something you do need to understand. We would also help you understand the modules around vision and dental and optical. If you're thinking of starting a family, we'd obviously talk about maternity and how that's important and how plans differ. We'd spend time talking about evacuation and repatriation. If you live and work in Tanzania, then obviously evacuation is going to be critical. The local medical facilities in Tanzania are going to be fine in the event of a cough, cold, flu. But in the event of a more serious incident, be that a car accident or a more serious illness, then it's most likely you're going to want to be evacuated to perhaps South Africa, to Joburg, or north towards perhaps Dubai or even to Europe. So it's important that you have evacuation on the plan, and not all of them have it as a compulsory element. But do you need repatriation? We'll talk about that and help you decide. Beyond that, we'll talk about things like chronic condition coverage, pre-existing medical condition coverage, deductibles, excesses, geographical zones of coverage, guaranteed renewability. Many aspects that most clients don't understand when they first start looking at a plan, but it's our job to help you understand. Once we've been through that review process where we've understood your needs and we've helped you understand a little bit more about the insurance plans, we can then go away and review all the different insurers that might be suitable for you. We'll look at the Bupas and the Aetnas and the Cignas, the Alliances, the DKVs, the AXA Triple Ps, all the brand names you've probably heard of. But in our review, we can also include insurers you've perhaps not heard of. People like William Russell, Interglobal, IntegGlobal, IMG, HTH. The list is in fact very long for the branded and less well-known insurers. But our job is to come back to you with a list of insurers and plans that most closely match your needs. We can then go through a fine-tuning process to help you find the right plan from the right insurer. So what does all of this mean? What I believe is that if you spend 5 minutes talking to us at the start of the process when you're looking for a health insurance plan, it's much more likely you're going to buy the right plan from the right insurer. So if you're living and working in Tanzania and you want help with your health insurance, why not come and talk to us?